Welcome back to our series on 21 things to avoid after rhinoplasty surgery. In the last series, part 1, I told you about how to blow your nose, how to wear glasses or sunglasses after rhinoplasty surgery, what to do about heavy workouts and lifting weights, and what about heavy facial expressions and how to sleep after rhinoplasty surgery. Hi, I am Dr. Sri Prakash Vinnakota, Chief Rhinoplasty Surgeon, Microcare ENT Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today, I'm telling you about sixth thing to avoid after rhinoplasty surgery. Avoid direct sun exposure after rhinoplasty surgery for at least 3 to 6 months period. After nose surgery, your skin becomes extra sensitive, almost like baby skin. Going out in the hot sun too soon can cause unwanted dark spots, make scars more noticeable, and even keep your swelling around for longer time. Why this happens after rhinoplasty surgery means sunlight has ultraviolet rays that activate special cells in your skin called melanocytes. These melanocytes increase pigmentation, which means your nose can turn unevenly and the scars can look darker. Plus, heat from sun versus swelling slowing down your recovery. And what can you do after rhinoplasty surgery? You always use broad spectrum sunscreen like with SPF 30 or higher once your surgeon says it's safe. Wear a wide brimmed hat or umbrella when outdoors. And try to avoid stepping out during peak sun hours like morning 10 a.m. to evening 4 p.m. If possible, choose indoor activities for the first few months. Protecting your nose from sun is one of the easiest ways to make sure your results stay natural and beautiful. Number 7. Stay away from smoking after rhinoplasty surgery. You have just invested in your nose surgery. Now don't let smoking ruin your recovery. How to avoid it and why you should avoid it? Smoking stops your healing nose of oxygen. Nicotine tightens up blood vessels, that is vasoconstriction, so less blood reaches the tissues. On top of that, carbon monoxide from cigarette smoke pushes out the oxygen in the blood. Even without oxygen, your nose can't heal properly. Collagen production slows down and your final results may get compromised. Even 1 or 2 cigarettes can delay healing, so it's best to stop at least 4 weeks after surgery. Longer if you can. How to avoid cigarette smoking after rhinoplasty surgery? You can switch to nicotine-free alternatives or chewing gum to fight cravings. Focus on deep breathing exercise to expand lung capacity and improve oxygen flow. Keep your water bottle handy. Hydration helps control urges. Remember, this is the perfect chance to quit for good. Your nose and your whole body will thank you after that. Number 8. Always say no to alcohol after rhinoplasty surgery. After your rhinoplasty surgery, it is really important to avoid alcohol for at least 2 to 4 weeks time. And if you can, even longer time. Why should you avoid alcohol after rhinoplasty surgery? Alcohol makes your blood thinner and your blood vessels wider. This can increase swelling and bruising and even a risk of bleeding after surgery. Basically, it slows down your healing tissue. The science behind it is the active component in alcohol is ethanol. This ethanol interferes with how your platelet work and dilates blood vessels. That means your body struggles to stop tiny bleeds and control inflammation. And what can you do instead of taking alcohol? You always stay hydrated with water or fresh juices. Choose warm herbal teas to reduce bloating and calm your body. Stick to a nutrient-rich diet rich in vitamin C and proteins to speed up recovery. Remember, skipping alcohol for a few weeks now can help you enjoy your results for a lifetime. Number 9. After rhinoplasty surgery, skip the makeup around your nose for at least 2 weeks of time. Why should you avoid makeup after rhinoplasty surgery? Makeup products and brushes may look harmless, but they can carry a lot of bacteria. Applying them too soon after surgery can increase risk of infection and even slow down healing. What is the science behind it? After rhinoplasty, your skin's protective barrier is weakened. Skin protective barrier weakness means it more becomes sensitive, and even tiny bacteria or clogged pores can lead to redness, irritation, or even infection at the incision site. But what can you do instead of makeup? It is better to stick to gentle cleansing with mild fragrance-free face wash or use a doctor-approved moisturizer or healing ointment to keep the skin hydrated. If you absolutely need coverage, try a mineral sunscreen recommended by your surgeon. It protects while being safe on sensitive skin. Save your full makeup routine as a reward after your nose has healed properly. Number 10. After rhinoplasty surgery, avoid hot showers or steam rooms for at least 2 to 3 weeks of time. Why should you avoid hot showers? Hot water and steam may feel relaxing, but after nose surgery, that is rhinoplasty, they actually do more harm than good. Heat makes your blood vessels expand, which lead to more swelling and puffiness. This can slow down the healing process and delay your final result. What is the science behind it? How hot showers delays healing and final result. When your body is exposed to high temperatures, blood vessels dilate. That is called vasodilatation. This increases fluid leakage into tissues, worsening swelling or edema, which happens after rhinoplasty surgery, and keeping your nose in the inflammation phase for longer than necessary. But what can you do instead of showering? Stick to lukewarm or cool showers. They'll keep you clean without stressing your nose. Avoid bending forward in the shower. It increases pressure on your healing nerves. If you miss the comfort of steam, try a gentle humidifier in your room. Keep the air moist without direct heat. Remember, patience now means faster recovery and better results later. Today's episode coming to end. Always remember these things which are very, very important after rhinoplasty surgery. If you follow these instructions, your nose will heal better, give you final results, good symmetrical results. Next episode, part 3, I will tell you more about things to avoid after rhinoplasty surgery. Thank you.